Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to bypass iPhone security lockout. Way 1. Reset iPhone passcode on lock screen. Enter the wrong passcode several times until the iPhone lock screen appears. Tap Forgot Passcode. Tap iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID passcode. OK, tap Erase iPhone. The iPhone is unlocked. Way to erase iPhone via iCloud. On a computer or other device, open a browser and visit iCloud.com. Then sign in to your Apple account with your Apple ID and password that are used on your locked out iPhone. When you finally get in, select the Find My icon just like I do. Choose All Devices here to find your iPhone from all your Apple devices. Once you select your locked phone, you'll be given the Erase This Device option. Now, select the Erase This Device option and confirm it. Here, you may be asked to do the two-factor authentication to verify yourself. After doing that, your unavailable iPhone will start the erasing process and get itself unlocked. Way 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Just connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. For iPhone 12, press volume up, press volume down, hold power button for seconds until this recovery mode screen appears. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. OK, agree the terms. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Well done, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings, and it restarts on the Hello screen. Way for Use Professional Tool, iPhone Passcode Genius. Actually, it can be very easy to unlock a security lockout iPhone with iShare iPhone Passcode Genius. You don't have to use your passcode or Apple ID. It just quickly removes your forgotten iPhone passcode and lets you get access back. After the download and installation, just open it on your computer. From this simple interface, select Unlock Lock Screen to start. Click the Start button, and then get your unavailable iPhone connected with your computer. Make sure your iPhone is in recovery mode. Okay, the computer just recognizes my locked iPhone, so here, just simply confirm the device information, and allow it to download an appropriate iOS firmware for the iPhone. All of this is to get ready for the unlock. When the download is finished, click the Unlock button to proceed. So now, as you can see, here's a loading bar. When it finishes, the unavailable iPhone will be unlocked, just like this. You see, no more passcode required. Just swipe up and go through the setup, and now the iPhone can be used again. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.